Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Bitwarden on Windows 11 in a very simple way. How you can do that, just simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Bitwarden download. Click enter and then you're going to find out this website over here. You can simply click on the website. And from here, if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to find out desktop applications. Here you can simply select your operating system. Right now I'm using Windows, that's why I'm selecting Windows, and then you can simply click on standard installer. So if you click on that, click download. As you can see, the download has been completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install it, click run. Check anyone who uses the computer, all users, click install. There will be a permission, click yes. And as you can see right now, the Bitwarden is rightly installing in our computer in a very simple way. After completing the download, you can simply see here is Bitwarden desktop icon. So now if you click on the finish option, it will going to open Bitwarden in our Windows operating system, as you can see. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install Bitwarden in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.